What is up, guys? Today we're gonna be installing the open dump once again on the 340 for the rest of the summer. So yeah, we'll be doing that today. Go to the shop. Car is currently on the AWE track exhaust. I have the Burbos on right now. The Burbos off actually, so there's no Burbos now. But oh hell no, water. Sounds good, but I want something a little bit more rowdy, you know. I think open dump is gonna do us justice. Where are you guys going? Shut the fuck up. Good. It's a valve with exhaust, so it has one valve on this side and one muffler on this side. So right now it's pretty much straight pipe on this side. I just opened the valve. This is the open dump that we're going to be putting on today. Pretty simple. This is supposed to be pretty much like plug and play bolt on. So it's made for 240s or other Gen 1 50. Alright boys, back in the car, opened up, installed. There's my exhaust, AWE exhaust like I said. So, let's get a first reaction. Nah, open dump is crazy. Jesus Lord. Woo! Yes sir. Back outside, man. Look at that turbo spool, man. Oh my God. Oh my God.
2,000 years later.
Okay, we got action. We got action. that? That's some B58 on B58 crime right there, boys. Gen 1 on Gen 2 crime. Thanks, boys. F80, F30, B58, S55. What you guys prefer? Got stock DRLs, yellow DRLs.